In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new person to your Meta Business Suite with ease. Whether you're expanding your team or bringing in new collaborators, setting up access in Meta Business Suite is an essential process, and we're here to guide you through it step by step. Let's start the journey by heading over to Meta Business Suite. Once you're there, glance over to the left-hand side and look for the Settings tab. Go ahead and give that a click. It's much like the command center for your business's operations on Meta, housing various options and settings that you'll need to manage your team effectively. After you've landed in the settings area, you'll want to focus on the users section. Under this particular section, you'll find an option labeled People. Click on that to get a closer look at who already has access and where you can begin to add more. Now, let's get to inviting your new team member or collaborator. You'll see a button with a plus sign that says Plus Invite People. Clicking this will open up the invitation form. Here, simply type in the email address of the person you want to bring on board. Be sure to double check for any typos, as you'll want to ensure the invitation gets to the right person. Once you're confident the email is correct, click the Next button to proceed. At this point, you'll need to decide on the type of access you're granting. Meta Business Suite offers different levels of access, ranging from full control for managerial roles to partial access for more specific duties. Take a moment here to consider the person's role and responsibilities, ensuring you're providing just the right level of access. Next up, it's time to assign assets. These are the specific parts of your business, like Facebook pages, ad accounts, or Instagram accounts, that your new team member will be managing. Go through the list and grant access to the relevant assets they'll need. You also have the option to set the level of access for each asset, tailoring it to what fits best for their tasks. Before you send off the invitation, it's wise to quickly review all your selections. Double check that the email address, access type, and asset assignments align with what you intend. Once everything looks good, click the Send Invitation button. The person you've invited will receive an email inviting them to join and accept the responsibilities you've assigned. And there you have it. You've successfully invited someone to your Meta Business Suite. This simple yet comprehensive process ensures your team members have access to the right tools and information while maintaining the security and integrity of your business operations. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and equips you with the know-how to seamlessly manage your Meta team moving forward. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.